asymmetrical extensions. So for example, if you think about your pinwheel, they're both the same length. I could do an extension with my right, but not my left, or my left and not my right, right? So this is still together time, but one is going big while the other one is staying up in the same place at the head. And then this is me alternating left, then right, then left, then right, then left, then right, which is not that dissimilar from when we do one extension, the other extension, one extension, the other extension in the weaves, which is also not that dissimilar from doing these takeouts in the buzzsaws. I think they all fall into the same family of making size changes that have things look more, I mean, they look like more than they actually are because of the differential in the size. And then if you want to make it even more pronounced, like if you're in a weave and you have one poi short and one poi long, right? Now this is just a regular weave with two different length pois. Pois, I don't know what's plural. And then if you did one hand extending the whole time, that creates a whole other effect, right? So my left hand is now both big and doing an extension because it's full length. Well, I guess technically this would be my full length. And that's even more pronounced because you have two completely different hand paths, even though you're doing the same old move. It just looks very different because that's, I mean, you know, the old adage, size matters.